Hello Shopify users, welcome to KonnectzIT training videos. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can actually get customer details from your order fulfilled. So once your order get fulfilled, you can notify your customers using WhatsApp and SMS. That is, I'm using Twilio app to send SMS for our users. So let me show you how you can do all this using a tool called KonnectzIT and workflow automation tool. So let's get started by logging into KonnectzIT. So once you log into KonnectzIT, you will be able to see a dashboard and the apps page over here. So you have to authorize the apps you are using. So basically in this case, so we are using Shopify, Twilio and WhatsApp and also Google Sheet to store data records. So for authorizing these apps, just click on the app. So I'm just clicked on Google Sheet and then click on add account. On clicking on add account, so you will be redirected you to the app page where you have to give permission for KonnectzIT to access your account by selecting your account. I already authorized Google Sheet, so let me close that. So similarly you have to do this same thing for Twilio and WhatsApp. I will show you how to authorize WhatsApp account. The detailed setup of WhatsApp Cloud API will be added in the description below. I have created an detailed setup video for how to set up a WhatsApp Cloud API account. It is an official WhatsApp Cloud API by Meta, so you can go ahead and check that complete video and set up your WhatsApp Cloud API. So once you set that, you have to click on add account. So it will ask you for token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. I already shown in that particular video how to get a permanent token. So token will be something like this. You can copy that and paste inside KonnectzIT and also phone number ID. So how to add phone number ID, so I had shown in that video, and also I had shown how to create templates. So basically I just created a template using WhatsApp Cloud API. So you just need to click on SN continue to authorize WhatsApp Cloud API inside KonnectzIT. So for creating templates, so the templates will something look like this. When you click here, so it will go to the template messages. So you can see that you can create a messages like this. So right now I just created a template, so where you can add an header and body, and also you can brand via like basically you can add your branding over here and also the callback URL. So basically I just created one WhatsApp template message like this, and you have to submit for approval. I had shown all these things in my previous video, so I will add that link in the description below. Please do watch to set up WhatsApp Cloud API account. So now once you set up, so just need to authorize that inside KonnectzIT, and similarly you have to authorize Twilio app to send SMS. So you can use any other SMS apps as well instead of Twilio. So basically, so to authorize, just click on the app name and click on add account. So this will ask you for account ID, SID, that is secret ID, so and the auth token. So just go to Twilio account and here you will get that SID. Just copy that and go to KonnectzIT and paste it over here, and similarly you have to paste the auth token. So go to Twilio, so you will get the auth token. Just copy that and go to KonnectzIT and paste it over here and click on SN continue. So this will going to authorize your Twilio account inside KonnectzIT. So once we are done with our authorization process, so now let's move on to create our workflow where all the magic happens. So just click on create connect. So start by naming your connect. So I'll just say that, so send notification. So now let me start with trigger, that will be for Shopify. So for Shopify you don't need to authorize that account, so you can just drag and drop the app. Basically it's an webbook enabled app. You have to copy and place the instructions, so based on the instructions provided. So copy the webbook URL. So right now I'm just going to take order fulfilled as my trigger. Copy the webbook URL based on the instructions given here. So we have to place our webbook URL So go to your Shopify store, click on settings, and then click on notifications, and then at the bottom down, so you will get a button called create webbook. Just click on that and select that as order fulfill. So basically you can go and search for your trigger, that is order fulfillment, and leave the format as JSON. Just paste your webbook URL which you copied from KonnectzIT and select the stable API version, and then click on save. That's it. So once you've done that, go to KonnectzIT and click on capture webbook response. This will enable KonnectzIT to capture the response from your Shopify store. So this is the one-time process you need to do. So now click on send test notification, because I didn't have my complete shop setup, so I'm just using the test notification. You can use your exact order fulfillment from your store. So when you go to KonnectzIT, so you will receive all the details with the email ID of the customer and also the customer details. So basically which will be giving you all the details about customers and their order details. So now let's go to the customer details. So basically that will be there at the end. So under the customer tab, so you will be able to get all the details, so the name and the email ID. So now what we will do, we will just add these details inside my Google Sheet. So let's drag and drop Google Sheet. So now let us search for Google Sheet and drag and drop Google Sheet over here and select our account and select the sheet. So here in this case I am just selecting creating a new row for my order fulfill. So and select the respective spreadsheet. So I'll be selecting the sheet as order fulfill. It will give me the details, it will ask me for details. You can add further more details. So basically this is the first row which we created on our Google Sheet. So I'll show you, this is my Google Sheet, so which has first name, last name, email, shop details and the phone number. You can add multiple other details as well. So right now I just used this particular details. You can even add address and all other details. So just created a sheet name and also the first row which will going to display like this. Now what you need to do is just connect between the nodes. That's it, just easy peasy. It's like this, like email field to the email field and also the first name to the first name and the last name to the last name. So even you can connect the phone number and even the other details as well, and click on test and review. So this will going to create this particular test order details inside my Google Sheet store. So you can see that the same will be get created inside my Google Sheet. So now let's go ahead to KonnectzIT and let us send WhatsApp message or like text message SMS using Twilio. So before that I will format my data for Twilio SMS. So basically this is an optional thing. I'm just doing it to send in a respective format for Twilio. So let's go ahead and click on merge text option. So this option, it is an inbuilt app inside KonnectzIT which is being used to format the data. So I'm going to do an like connect like nodes like this. So basically I can connect first name and the last name, and I will just type the message something like this. So you can just type anything like your shipping, your order is already been shipped or you're already been printed, like that you can do that. So basically here you have to use @ symbol to just to enter the details, that is the first name, and I'm just entering the last name as well. So I need to select this by typing @ symbol, and you can say your order is been delivered, thank you for shopping with us. So similar kind of messages, any kind of messages, and just click on validate. So this will going to validate your data inside text formatter, and now our order is like data is successfully validated. So let us go ahead and search for Twilio app, so which we authorized before. So go to Twilio app and just drag and drop the app and select the action as send SMS. And basically, so when you select this action, the from phone number, so you can copy from your Twilio account. So go to your Twilio account, you can copy that phone number and go here and paste the from phone number, and the message which we generated from text formatter, we can just give that message directly. And the two number, we have to get it from, like Shopify store, like this, like any of the number. For example, if this is the number, so I can connect like this, but in this case I just use the test account, so I will just enter it manually. But make sure you can use you can actually use the number which you got it from your Shopify store. So right now I'm just don't have any number, so I'm just typing it manually, but still you can actually use it from the Shopify store itself. So once we enter this phone number, so just need to hit on test and review. So this will basically send an text SMS. So usually you have to like enter it in the same format which is requested by that app. Yes, now it went successfully and I received the message as well. So you can see that. I will show my message, so you can see. So that message shows something like this: your order has been, like it uses the name and also it sends a message. So basically it sends dear John Smith, so that is the order, like the number, and then it says your order has been delivered and thank you for shopping with us. So this is how you can send an SMS. So now we will send an WhatsApp message as well. So let me go and search for WhatsApp Cloud API. So for WhatsApp it works slightly different way, where we have to send a template message, because we cannot send a random message in WhatsApp. We cannot use like, otherwise our number will get blocked if we are not sending a template message. So it is better to choose a template message and also create a template message as I shown before. So just it will be easy, so that your number will be valid and it will not be blocked by WhatsApp. So now we are just sending template message over here and select the template message. So basically I just select my as order fulfilled, so I'm going to send that, and then select the language. So basically here you have to connect this, so from particular app from here. So right now I don't have anything, so I will just use the number, which basically number also you can connect it from the app itself, from Shopify store. So how I will connect the name, so similarly you have to connect the number as well. So right now I don't have any test number, so I'm just using my number there and then connecting the name to the name field over here. So this is the name field, so I just connected directly from the app. Similarly you have to do the same thing for the phone number as well. You have to connect it from the app itself. So now it on test and review. So this will basically send an WhatsApp message based on our template to WhatsApp. So yes, you can see that. So we just received the WhatsApp message. So let us go to WhatsApp, and you can see it says, dear John, your order, thank you, your order has been delivered, thank you for shopping with us, sent via KonnectzIT. This is for your branding, and it also gives the CTA, so where it will go to my Shopify store, so that they can rate their experience. So this is how you can notify your customer whenever your order get fulfilled, like your order get delivered or any other messages. So now let's test this connect by publishing the connect. So let me go ahead and publish my connect. Yes, our connects is published successfully. So now let me go to Shopify store and trigger the webbook again, so that basically I will be receiving the same data. So according to my connect, so that is, you can see I just received both WhatsApp and the SMS as well. So I will basically I will receive the same SMS because I'm just sending the test data. So first it will add it into Google Sheet. So this is my Google Sheet. It will add the same data again, because every time I'm just creating a new row. And also it sends an WhatsApp message, so you can see that the same message has been sent again. So similarly I will receive my phone like SMS as well. So you can see both two SMS being received. So this is how basically you can send or notify your customers, so whenever your order get fulfilled on your Shopify store. Hope this is an easy peasy integration. Just by dragging and drop and connecting between the nodes, you can achieve the integration whatever you required for using KonnectzIT. If you guys like this integration, do give a thumbs up, and also if you have any doubts on this particular integration, do drop me on the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day.